What's going on, guys? It's Jimmy here. Welcome to our daily show where we discuss the fourth stimulus package update, stimulus check update, daily news, everything going on here in our country, in Washington, D.C., money, investing, the stock market, everything you need to know about on a daily basis. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe down below so you don't miss out on new videos. And don't forget to hit the like button for us. We got a lot to talk about here today. I got a major trade I'm going to share with you guys here today that I've been researching. And I want to talk to you guys about something very interesting I came upon that could pay for two $1,400 stimulus checks that I'm going to show you here on the screen here. Couple different things. Definitely make sure to stay to the end. This is a video you won't want to miss. Okay, as you can see here, this is from Newsweek. A small wealth tax would raise enough money for two $1,400 stimulus checks. And this is getting a lot of press and a lot of attention. Yeah, enough money for two $1,400 stimulus checks just from this one minor small wealth tax that would go out to multimillionaires and multi-billionaires, which a lot of them actually support. Yeah, check this out. A small wealth tax on America's multi-millionaires and billionaires would raise more than $900 billion per year. Yeah, according to a new report, an amount that could easily fund the cost of sending out two more $1,400 stimulus checks to Americans per year, actually. That's enough money to send out two stimulus checks per year every single year. The analysis published Wednesday by the Fight Inequity Alliance Institute for Policy Studies, say that 10 times fast, and a group called Patriotic Millionaires noted that the wealth of the world's richest has risen dramatically despite deepening inequality during the pandemic. Yeah, the rich know how to invest their money. The wealth of American billionaires has increased by $2 trillion since the start of the pandemic. According to the report entitled The Taxing Extreme Wealth, an annual tax on the world's multi-millionaires and billionaires, what it would raise and what it could pay for. But a wealth tax with rates at 2% only for those with more than $5 million, raising to 5% for billionaires would raise $928 billion per year, the report calculated. And a more progressive wealth tax with rates at 2% on wealth over $5 million, raising to 10% for those with more than $1 billion, would raise $1.34 trillion every single year. The report said an extra $928 billion could raise the government's health budget by a third or eliminate half of households' out-of-pocket health costs. And the American Rescue Plan last year included about $400 billion that was used to pay for $1,400 stimulus checks. This could pay for at least two of them every single year. And this actually comes after the Patriotic Millionaires, a group of more than 100 of the world's richest people, urged governments to charge them more tax. Yeah, they said, quote, as millionaires, we know that the current tax system is not fair. They said in an open letter published to coincide with the World's Economic Forums. Yeah, so let me know your thoughts about that. That one simple small tax could pay for two $1,400 stimulus checks per year. Also, I kind of wanted to talk about something really interesting. 1 year from now, when you think back about watching this market alert, you'll be happy you paid attention, or you'll be shocked that you were indifferent to this all important content. My research points to this opportunity becoming the biggest story of the year in the stock market, and I'm bringing it to you first. Right now, we are really early, and if Bitcoin has taught us anything, it is that not waiting around is crucial. Once in a decade, I unearthed something truly unbelievable that I know can change your life for good. First thing you got to know is that this stock is so darn cheap. Let me put it this way. If I had the money to, I would buy the whole company and at this price and make it private, and the market cap of this company is $30 million. And in the 18 years it took to develop its patented formulation, $20 million was poured into research and development. This stock is so cheap that you're basically paying for its product as if it was still an unproven prototype, just an idea. But what I'm shocked at is how much this business is well past the concept stage. $20 million in R&D and 18 years of development in the University of Arkansas has already taken place. So this product is greatly de-risked. The product the company is selling has gone through peer-reviewed clinical studies and is already in stores generating revenue. You're probably thinking that if the price of the stock is basically just valuing the company as if it just owned a patented prototype, that there is no real product, no distribution, no retail stores that carry the brand, and definitely no revenues. But you'd be completely wrong on each of these. And the stock is simply put just extremely cheap. I want to show you the tiny little unknown retail chain that already sells this patented formulated healthcare product on their shelves. Walgreens is simply a behemoth US drugstore company. Walgreens encompasses more than 21,000 stores in 11 countries, as well as the largest global pharmaceutical wholesale and distribution networks. That network includes more than 425 distribution centers, delivering to more than 250,000 pharmacies, doctors, healthcare centers, and hospitals each year in more than 20 different countries. On a typical day, around 8 million customers visit Walgreens alone, either in their physical stores or online. It's actually pretty astounding when you think about it. And well, if there's any drugstore chain that can compete with the likes of Walgreens, it's CVS, a retail giant spanning over 9,900 retail locations in 49 US states and the District of Columbia and Puerto Rico. And according to the latest count, that's a 4.5 million customers are served by CVS pharmacy stores every single day. And on top of that, CVS has a veritable army of nearly 300,000 employees. Sam's Club. Today, Walmart and Sam's Club operates approximately 10,500 stores and clubs under 48 banners in 24 countries and e-commerce websites. The company employs 2.2 million workers around the world. 90% of the US population lives within 10 miles of a Walmart location, believe it or not. Walmart's 210 distribution centers comprise one of the largest networks in the world. The company's transportation network alone includes a fleet of over 9,000 tractors, 80,000 trailers, and more than 11,000 drivers. Each Walmart distribution center is more than 1 million square feet. Each Sam's Club driver averages around 100,000 miles annually. That's a lot. That's like driving around the world 4 times. Okay, so which unknown stock has this patent protected formulation, which they turned into a trademarked branded product and has been able to place it in 20,000 across Sam's Clubs, Walgreens locations, and CVS stores in the thousands? The stock I'm talking about is called Element Nutritional, ticker symbol ELNSF in the United States, and it has placed its trademark brand called Rejuvenate and its patented protection formulation in 20,000 stores in the past 2 years. Pretty cool, huh? The product is a protein healthcare drink which addresses muscle loss, called sarcopenia, which is a massive multi-billion-dollar market. And the company just received its largest purchase order in its history. So clearly, retailers are waking up to the potential here. I'm going to show you details about the Rejuvenate product line now. But before I do, 2 key points to stress about Element Nutritional. which is our sponsor for this video, since their management wants to get the story out to their retail investors before Wall Street tycoons get a hold of it. Here they are. Number one, the price of the stock is cheaper than what millionaire accredited investors with capabilities to conduct due diligence paid for it not too long ago in their last financing. Number two, the founder of the company himself has personally invested $3.2 million and owns 20% of the shares himself and has massive skin in the game. The industry this company operates in, which is plant based healthy, is on a worldwide revolution. The potential here is if management meets guidance on $25 million in sales, is the stock surges 3 to 400% in a year or two. So let me know your thoughts, and I will put a link down below in the pinned comments and the description of this video for you to check out their information. And I'll keep you up to date here with everything going on here in our country, in Washington, D.C., with money, investing, the stock market, everything you need to know about on a daily basis. So make sure to subscribe down below, and I will keep you up to date here with everything going on here. You can click here to watch my newest video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video.